Hey everybody, Mike and Hannah here with Delta Faucet. Touch2O faucets with touchless technology are great. They're really convenient and easy to install, but that's for another video. Once you have one, you'll wonder how you ever live without it.
Today we're going to talk you through some troubleshooting tips. Here's how to operate your Touch2O with Touchless Technology Faucet. It's good to know that this faucet can operate just like a regular faucet does, where you use the handle to turn it on and off. That way, if you have a guest over who's unfamiliar with touch or touchless technology, they can still easily use the faucet. With both technologies, you do need to have the handle in the on position to use it. And you'll want to take note of what position the handle is in, because that is the water temperature setting that the faucet will be in the next time that you turn it on. Here's how to use touchless technology to turn your faucet on and off. You want to place your hand within 4 inches of the faucet to turn it on, and there's no specific sensor you need to place your hand in. And notice I said place and not wave, it's just a brief pause. And then to turn it off, you just place your hand right underneath. So we do find it to be most responsive if you place your hand right underneath this spout right here. It's just like that, it's just a brief pause. So to use the touch technology to turn your faucet on and off, it's a brief, deliberate tap, almost like tapping a key on your keyboard. So you can use your finger, you can use your wrist, you can use your elbow, and you can tap anywhere on the faucet. It's looking for your skin contact. The only place that it won't sense your skin contact is the wand here and this black base here at the bottom. You can also grab it, and it's very smart. It knows the difference between a grab and a touch. And you can also change the water temperature without it turning on and off. You can touch it anywhere on the spout. You can touch it here, you can touch it on the body, you can touch it on the handle, just like that. You can also use dishwashing gloves, and this works for both technologies. So if you're washing dishes and you have gloves on, it can still sense your touch or your presence. So all you have to do is use the palm of your hand or 4 fingers, and it'll turn on and off. There are 3 modes this faucet can be in: high sensitivity, low sensitivity, and off. You'll want to refer to the user guide included in your box to figure out which sensitivity your faucet should be in. The sensitivity level depends on what type of material your sink is and what type of material your countertop is. Now, straight out of the box, the faucet is set in high sensitivity mode. Now, before we change anything, you want to make sure that your handle is set in the off position. Now, to change it to low sensitivity, we want to grab the base here for 6 seconds until it flashes purple. All right, that tells us that the faucet is now in low sensitivity mode. Now, if you want to turn it off, you'll grab it by the base again for 6 more seconds until it flashes red. Just like that. Now, to turn it back on to high sensitivity, we'll do the same thing. Grab it by the base, hold it for 6 seconds, and then we'll see it flash blue. All right, now it's set back to high sensitivity. We hope you found those tips helpful, and if you had an issue, we were able to resolve it.
And remember, if you have any additional questions, you can always reach out to the Delta Faucet customer service team. They're more than happy to help.